Hey Java developer, did you know that there is a secret to boosting your career that goes beyond your technical skills? Let me tell you that many developers initially approach this secret with skepticism despite its crucial role in shaping their careers. This skepticism often comes from their dissatisfaction with earnings or work routines. However, it's important to emphasize that technical knowledge remains essential. The secret I'm about to reveal does not replace technical expertise but complements it. Being a technically proficient developer is a prerequisite for progressing in your career. Without technical knowledge, a career in software development would be unattainable. Okay, so now that you know how vital developing your mindset is for your career, I will briefly introduce myself. I'm Rafael Del Nero, a Java champion and mentor dedicated to empowering developers like you to earn more and boost your career. I have even more valuable insights to share with you, so join me on this journey and gain access to a wealth of videos and proven strategies employed by the highest Java developers in the industry. And if that resonates with you, show your support by giving a like and sharing this video, because together we can help other developers unlock their earning potential by being strategic and focused. So stay tuned, follow me and receive regular updates with valuable content and strategies, and as always, break your limits.